And right there guys, as you can see, when I restarted my phone, I got my free Tor Browser app. What is up guys, in today's video I will show you the only working way to get Tor Browser right on your phone and browse the dark web safely from your mobile device. This works on any device you can imagine, iOS, Android, doesn't matter. You can get Tor Browser for free using this method and following my steps. So the first thing we must do is open any browser and go to this site, itweak.co. That's itweak.co, exactly as you see on your screen. Type it into your browser guys. When you do load the site, you want to actually scroll down and find the Tor Browser app icon. So as you can see, you have many different games and apps you can get off this site, but we are here for the Tor Browser, so scroll all the way down till you find it. So as you can see right there, Tor Browser access the dark web on your mobile safely. So you want to tap on this icon. Now it will take us here, so you need to scroll down, find the inject button and tap on it, and the app will instantly start to download to your phone. So this is the only working way to get Tor Browser on any mobile device. All you have to do is follow my steps and you will get it instantly on your phone guys. Trust me, I've tried this many times to see if it works, and it always has worked for me. Now it will take us to this page. So we have to complete two offers to get Tor Browser. We complete the two offers by downloading any two apps out of these apps listed right here and opening them. Both apps we download for 30 seconds each. So guys, let me show you. Tap to install and it will take you directly to the App Store where you have to download the app from. All of these apps are completely safe and free, so you do not have to worry about absolutely anything. Just download the two apps, open them for 30 seconds each, and that is it. You will get Tor Browser. I will download the two apps I just showed you, open them for 30 seconds, and I'll be back with the next step. And that is it guys. So I've opened both apps for 30 seconds each. Now let's just go ahead and delete the apps because we do not need them at all anymore. So why keep them when we do not need them? So guys, now I will restart my phone and I'll see if this actually worked, and I'll be back after I restart my device. Make sure you do this too if you want this to work. So let me just restart my phone and I'll be back in a few moments. And right there guys, as you can see, when I restarted my phone, I got my free Tor Browser app. Now I can use Tor Browser to browse the deep web safely right on my phone guys. This is the only working way to get Tor Browser app on any mobile device and use it safely. So trust me guys, you want to go and get yourself Tor Browser and browse the deep web for free and completely safe right on your phone guys. So go and get it right now on itweak.co. That's itweak.co guys. Let me know down in the comments if I helped you in any way possible. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel guys. It would mean a lot to me, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.